Erin, thank you so much. It's really good to have you on the Changing Lives podcast today. How are you feeling?
Yeah, good, mate. Thanks for having us.
Awesome. Thanks for dressing up for us today. You've got your SES uniform on, and we want to get right into your involvement with the State Emergency Service and talk about some of the challenges and rewards of that and your own personal journey into that, and also your role as the Deputy Rescue Officer for your unit. But you've just been on the clinical workshop too. You're studying the Diploma of Paramedical Science with Australian Paramedical College, and tell me, what was that like?
It was really good, really engaging. It was great to be the first group back after the COVID period. We're all trainers and students were all antsy to get back into the classroom. It was a great week, full on week. So we were putting together all the stuff we had learnt in workshop 1, plus all of our studies up to all of the coursework, and learning all of our advanced skills. So it was great to have a new skill set put on top of the old skill set, and then just challenged throughout the whole week.
Wow, and you mentioned about, and maybe this is something you didn't expect, that the teamwork and the team-orientated approach was something that kind of took you by surprise a bit. Is that?
Well, not so much sort of by surprise, but it was definitely something that without that teamwork approach and trusting your fellow students, you wouldn't be able to get through it. So it was great having a really small group of people. Half of the class, we actually knew each other from workshop 1, so I think that definitely helped.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was a really great dynamics. Pushing each other, encouraging each other, lifting each other up when someone was a little bit emotional, which at the end of the day, during that whole week, someone was down at some stage, and just popping people up, and it's such a good feeling.